Alright, I'm going to show you how to make a Google website. It's very easy. Just listen and follow the steps and you should be able to do this on your own. You're going to go to Google and you're going to go to the little dots on the right side and you're going to click Google Sites. That's what we're going to make today. Once you get to Google Sites, you're going to press this plus button and you're going to create a new site. You can title your page whatever you would like. So this is your home page. So Miss Bailey's Poems or something like that. Okay. Now I'm going to enter in a poem. So you're going to enter, for each poem you're going to do a new page. So you're going to go to Pages and click the arrow, New Page. I'm going to do the Diamante. That was one of the poems that we did, so I titled it that. Now it's going to create the page. Now that I'm in my Diamante page, I'm going to insert my poem. So you're going to go to Insert from Google Drive, which is why we put it in Google Drive. And you're going to go to your poetry folder. Mine takes a little bit longer to get there, but yours should be right there in your drive. So I'm going to go to my folder. I've got my Diamante. I'm going to double click and it puts it right in there for me. Then when I get to this screen, I can move it. I can make it bigger, however you want it to appear on your screen. You can also change the section background. You want an image, a color, however you would like to do it. Feel free to play around. Okay? So then, I'll exit out of that. I have my Diamante all done, put in here. Now you can format it how you, in different ways. You can change the theme. Okay. You can change the font style, however you want to do it. Again, this is yours. You can change the image background. Feel free to explore. Okay. Then again, so then your next poem you'll go to. Okay, you'll create a new page. Another poem we did was the acrostics. So we'll create a new page and then you will insert it from Google Drive. What you'll notice is at the top it's adding all the pages. So when the person goes to your web page, you're going to click Home. This will be your home page. And then at the top they can click on the different types of poems and it'll be all right there. When you're finished, you're going to publish it. That means you're going to put it live on the website. So you can give it poetry and last name, however you would like to do it, and you're going to publish it so people can see it. When you're finished with that, you're going to copy this link. So you're going to copy the link. You're going to go to our Canvas page and go to the poem website. There you will click on that. You will submit assignment and you will paste the thing that you copied and you're going to submit. What that will do is it will submit your website and then I will be able to grade it. If you do not submit it, I will not be able to grade it. And again, play around with it, change the color, change, if you want to add anything, feel free, but you at least need to have each poem on its own page and that poem from your Google account on the website. And that should do it.